decided to try out two simple salads. One is a Greek salad and one is a Turkish salad. One is called just Greek salad and the other is called either Turkish shepherd salad, or some in Turkish I think they call it çoban salatası. So I'm just going to see really what's the best, the Greek salad or the Turkish. They're pretty much similar. So all you need, let's start with the Greek one. You need 2 to 3 tomatoes sliced quite largely, and 1 cucumber sliced quite largely, and 1 green pepper if you wish, and the pieces are quite large again, and 1 small onion, large slices, and some lemon juice. Okay, so what we're gonna, now that everything's sliced, so it's easy, we're gonna mix them, and then we're gonna make like a salad dressing, vinaigrette. So this is 1 tablespoon of vinegar to 3 of virgin olive oil, and we mix them with salt and pepper, and this is going to be our dressing. So we're going to mix them around. Squeeze of lemon. And the feta cheese, you just need a few pieces of cheese, and we put it on top. And a sprinkle of black or green olives. It looks delicious. So now moving on to the Turkish shepherd salad, çoban salatası. So it's nearly the same as the Greek salad actually. It has about 2 tomatoes, 2 cucumbers, 1 green pepper, 1 onion, 1 tablespoon of parsley, and a vinaigrette, which is oil and vinegar. So 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 3 tablespoons of oil, salt and pepper to taste, and mix it. And it also has feta cheese just to taste, so you don't need a lot, just to mix it through, and some olives to garnish, black or green, and some salt and pepper sprinkled on the top. So let's mix it all together and compare. I want you to send me a message telling me which one you prefer, the Turkish one or the Greek one. Okay, so the main difference I can see so far is that we cut the vegetables finely, whereas in the Greek one they seem to be done quite big. So we're going to mix it all into this bowl. Okay, so I've put it all into the bowl and mixed it around, put in the small cubes of feta cheese, and we mix it around. We'll also put in the vinaigrette, mix it again. So now it's all been mixed and looks amazing. Finish it with a little bit of olives. I have green, if you have black is fine, whichever ones you have. So now I want you to test both of them and see which one you prefer, the Greek or the Turkish. I'm going to have a quick taste now of them and see which one I like. So, well, the Greek one, or shall I start with the Turkish one? I'll start with the Turkish one. So, that one's quite nice. And now for the Greek one, let's have a test of this. They taste quite similar. I think the only difference I can see is that the Turkish one has some parsley in it, so it has more of a parsley flavor. Whereas the Greek one is just more like a normal salad, and it tastes a bit more oniony, maybe because the onion pieces are big and the feta cheese is quite big. To be honest, I prefer actually the Turkish one, just because it's all finely chopped and the cheese is all finely chopped, and the parsley taste gives a little bit of a kick. But anyway, send me in the comments which one you like the best. So don't forget to give me the thumbs up and subscribe.